Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today we talk again about hints in FireMonkey. Yesterday there was a question in the German Delphi praxis how one can adjust the display time of a hint in FireMonkey. Unfortunately, there is no function to do this. But I gave the answer that one can use perhaps the onHint event of the T application class to display the hint with an own solution. I mentioned that I've developed some years ago a solution to display hints in FireMonkey at a time where it was not possible to show hints in FireMonkey at all. This could be perhaps a stimulus for an own solution. After writing this, I thought, oh, I liked my own solution and it looks much more better than the current hint display in Delphi. So why not update this old solution for the current Delphi? So I've done this and I will show you the result. At first I will show you the standard way how Delphi display hints, and after that how it looks with using my small hint unit. So here I have started already one of my programs with some hints in this for these buttons, and I show you here, for example, how it looks also with longer text in it. So, and you see that the hint is out of the window here, and sometimes it's not very good to read. So I stop this program and add the unit to it. It's called HS FMX hints X. So that's a very small unit, round about 200 lines of code, and simply including this into your project will change the way how the hints will be displayed in your program. So now you have, it looks like this. So you have the call out with some shadow effect, and if the text is longer, you have it broken in several lines, so it could be better read, and it stays also in the area of the form itself, so it would be easier to read here. And there is also another effect. If the text is very long, the display time in a standard variation will be displayed a little bit longer in comparison if the text is shorter. Yeah, and I want to add that this works application wide. So if we, for example, starting here database and I open another form, it will be automatically also here in all other forms that has hints in it. So back again in the HSFMX hint X unit, you see here in the initialization part of the unit, we have a call of the init hint settings, where we create the call out and the text label in it, and assigning some standard settings. And after that we catch the onHint event of the application and use it with our own tMyEvents onHint event. So this is the function. When the onHint event is fired, we have only as information the hint text in application hints, but we don't know which control has fired the hint, so we have search for it at our own, and I use here the find component from hint function, where I simply iterate through all components or forms or frames that are in this form, in the current form. And if the text is the same that we have from application hint, then we have also the control. Yeah, the form we get from the screen active form, and from this point we can start. And after having this control, we can calculate it to screen, and then from screen to client. And so we have the position of the control that the hint has fired. and so we can adjust our call out and bring it in a good position to show it. Unfortunately, also when we call in this event the application hide hint function or the application cancel hint, nevertheless the hint will be displayed. I don't know if this a bug. However, we can't use a timer that I've used in the former solution. Instead of this, we use a thread, a task, and in this thread we first calculate the wait time before the hint should be displayed. And there, so we call the application hide hint so that the standard hint will not be played. And here we calculate if the dynamic show time is activated. We calculate the display time that is longer if the text is longer. And here we again in the section where the hour call out hint is already displayed, and we also have here this thread that calls sometimes the application hide hint so that the normal standard hint will not display it. After it, we hide the hint, our call hint, and set also the parent to nil. That is important because the hint could be part of different forms, and when this form will be destroyed, then all children of this form will be destroyed, and also our call out. And to avoid this, we set the call hint parent to nil. Yeah, that was simply the solution. And we have also the possibility with the procedure set hint settings to adjust the time before show and the time to show, and if it should be this dynamic display time, and we can also adjust the back color of the call out hint. Yeah, as I mentioned, you can simply include this unit in your project, and perhaps at the creation time of your main formula you can call this set hint setting if you will make some changes for it. Yeah, and simply that's all. You can use this unit for free. You can download it from my dev page. I have set a link in the information of this video, and use it for free and be happy with it. If you find some problems, write me a mail, or if you have a better solution in a part of this code, write also to me or in the comments. That was all for today. Have fun with it, and bye bye.